Here we have what was once a very lovely lupin, which has now gone over, and we've got the added addition of some powder mildew, which is caused from deviating between being very wet to very dry. So what we're going to do is cut the flower spike off. Now, if you wanted to keep the seed, you would obviously keep it on until the seeds ripen, but the plant uses a lot of energy to do that. So we're going to cut the flower spike off so that the plant will be much more vigorous and will grow back bigger and stronger, and hopefully we'll have a more fuller display next year. Because of this powder mildew, we're also just going to take all the foliage off as well, which again looks a bit brutal, but we're still in the summer season, and you can see it will shoot again from the base, and if we're lucky we may get another flower, but that's if we're lucky.